Hello, welcome to the channel and welcome back to Resurrect Autos HQ. It is looking really quiet in the workshop in a minute, guys. No cars. But good news, I managed to get and win a car yesterday. So tomorrow I'm going to go off, pick that up, and it's something I've never done before. It's a make I've never done and a model I've never done. So something different for the channel. Definitely different from a Fiesta and the Fiat 500s. Just trying to sort of, just trying to pick something a little bit different for you guys to get involved in. So that'll be interesting. Nice little build. So that's going on tomorrow. What else is going on? The blue Fiesta, the one I just finished with the doors, that is going for an MOT today. I'm also picking up the blue Fiat 500 from the paint shop today. The white Fiat 500, the white one, that's sold, that's gone. So yeah, just need to get some more stock in. The faster I'm doing them, the faster they're just going out the door. It's just, yeah. At one point, a few months back, I had like sort of 5 or 6 cars sort of all outside and waiting to be sold. But now I just seems like I just can't fix them quick enough. Which is good, I'm enjoying it, so that's good. So yeah, just a lot going on. Also got the trailer going out today as well. Someone's hiring the trailer off me, so that's being used today as well. Just really busy at the minute. So it's all good though. So that's it, guys. That's a quick update. So let's go and get this blue Fiat 500. Let's get it back to the workshop and let's start putting it back together, basically. Yeah, and we'll go from there. So let's do this. So there we go. I am back from the paint shop and it looks absolutely spot on. Really good. So what he did in the end was take this door off. Yeah, took the door off and he done all the shuts, so inside the actual shut, it's all been matched. Remember a little repair? It was a little repair job here, had to be done. He's done that. He's done the repair to the back quarter as well, so that's all done. And yeah, sprayed the front, the wing, and blended it into the bumper because there was a bit of a mess here as well. So yeah, really good. Really happy with it, guys. And he's obviously done the door as well, which is here, both sides, all round. Yeah, so really chuffed with it. Done the whole door, and that's why I stripped it right down the door, so he can do everything. So all round, so there's no, apart from, I think, yeah, the only blue part you can see now, is the dark blue part, is in here, which once the glass goes in and all the trims go back on, you can't see it anyway, so yeah, super happy. It just needs a good clean. It's been sitting around, got a bit messy on it, guys. So, but it's what it is. I need to get this back together. But yeah, the actual colour match is spot on. Like really is. He does do a good job. He really does. So super happy with it. And yeah, he's definitely knocked it out of the park again. So now, guys, it's just a case of taking this door off, swapping over all the parts, and yeah, basically putting it back together, and getting this car, yeah, a little bit more forward. I don't know how much we're going to get done today, not sure, because I've got so much other stuff going on. It's unbelievable. I've still got the guy coming up with a trailer. I've still got to take the blue Fiesta for an MOT. So I will sort of try and get as much done as I can today. Let's see what happens. So, but for now, let's get into it. Let's take this door off and start fitting that door so that we can swap all the bits and pieces over. So, yeah, let's do it, guys. So that did not take long at all, I'll be honest with you. You see me do it. I stripped it all down. There's only a few bits and pieces left, like the glass, the rubbers, a couple of panels that I need to keep because the other ones I've got to compare to make sure, you know, which ones are the best. These little metal covers, because they get scuffed and oiled up. So I've just got to pick the best ones I've got. Do you know what I mean? So yeah, and obviously I've got to put the original loom back in, original lock, and that kind of thing. All swap it back over to the painted door. So yeah, that's what I'll do. I've got to put the hinges back on as well. So I've got to put these. I've got to swap them over from the original one. So I'll just take these off, clean the hinges up before I put them back. Yeah, and I've got to take this off as well. I'll take this off and put that back in place. I'll leave the speaker because I think the speaker is okay on that door as well. So that's that. I'll probably take it out to take it off, to be honest, because I've got a rivet gun. If I need to rivet it back on, or I need to, you know, do it in the future, I've got a little speaker that I can use. But always nice to have a little bit of spares. This motor as well, I'll take this off. Anything that's on this door that I can use, I'll take it off, keep it, and then get rid of the door. I'm not going to bother keeping this door and trying to repair it and trying to mess about with it. It's just, yeah, it just gets in my way. So I'm just going to get rid of it. So yeah. So now, guys, it's just a case of just the reverse of what I've just did. I still want to mess about with this wing a little bit. I want to make sure that it's all lined up, all perfect, and that sort of thing. It's because I ain't done the bolt up here, so I haven't. This ain't secure, this wing. I just wanted to get it painted. So, do I take it off now? Yeah, I think I'm going to take it off now. Let me get the wing out of the way. Then let's deal with the door. Then put the door on. Then do that. So yeah, let me get this out of the way. And then we'll go for the door, put that on, and then start swapping it all over. So, yeah, and lining it back up. So, right, let me set you up, guys. Let's do this. Right, that's the door on, and I'll be honest with you, it's sitting in a pretty good position. I'm just looking at my lines, really, sort of these lines here going through, and the one at the bottom, and obviously the seal as well. It's got to go straight. Sometimes you have to move these hinges, that bolt there, sort of in and out that way, so it goes in and out towards the actual car. But I think that's pretty good. I really need to get the wing on next as well, just to sort of line it up, just to make sure that they sort of, you know, it lines through. And yeah, it's all looking good so far. Yeah, surprisingly. What's that, a little bit? Oh, that's from the paint shop, that is. Paper. Stopping it from the paint going down. Missed that one, didn't he? So yeah, guys, it's really coming along now. I've just got to swap all the bits of doors over and put the handles back on place, and the glass and the panels, and then just keep going with it. Yeah. So, but for the moment, I've kind of got to stop. I need to go and take that blue Fiesta to the MOT centre, and let's see if that passes the MOT or not. Hopefully it does. If it don't, then obviously I'll have to do the repairs to that. You know, who knows what it could be, but I've done all my checks that I can do, and yeah, really now it can only be sort of ball joints and stuff like that. But let's take it down there, let's see what it goes through, and I'll let you know when I come back. So yeah, I'll see you in a second, guys. Right guys, I am back from the MOT centre. So let's show you what happened. So there we go. A pass, no advisories. So that's the kind of thing I want to see. So that's really good news. Another car, straight through MOT. Yeah, no problem at all, really. So there we go. Let's carry on with this blue one. Yeah, get all the lock in place and get all the sort of everything back in where it should be, and continue with this one. So yeah, I'll set you up, guys, and let's continue. Right guys, so it's definitely not finished, but it's definitely getting there. Just need a good clean up. A few little bits and pieces I've got to sort out, put the caps on. I'm just running out of time today. So I've got to kind of, wrap this up for today. But it's looking really good. Yeah, I'm so happy with it. Like, the colour is so good. It just needs little bits and pieces, really. Got all my gaps right. Might have to move the bonnet a little bit. Just have to see how that goes. So far so good. I had a proper nightmare. I don't know if you noticed that, but an absolute killer of a nightmare getting this glass to centralise and go up and down properly. I'm still not 100% happy with it, to be honest with you. So we've still got to do a little bit of work on that. But, you know, that's what it's all about sometimes, isn't it? Things don't just fall back together. You have to sort of tweak it and sort of play with it to make sure that it's 100%. And right now, that's not 100%. So, yeah. Sorry, guys, I had to cut that short because someone walked in. Like I was saying, it's not quite 100%, and I want to do some other bits and pieces just to make sure that it's really up to scratch. But the actual paint is so good. It's come out really well. Really chuffed with it. So there we go. That is going to be the end of today's video. Don't forget, tomorrow, guys, we are picking up a new project. And it's something that I've not done before. I've not done the make, and I've not done the model. So it will be definitely something that might interest me going forward, doing another one. And it's definitely different content for you guys to have a look at and just to see what's happening. But so that's going to be the end of today's video, guys. Really appreciate the support, and I'll see you on the next one.